Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I post weekly videos about print on demand and all things related to it, so if you want to learn more about that, then feel free to subscribe to my channel below. So a couple of weeks ago, I shopped through lots of my subscribers' Redbubble stores in order to find the perfect stickers for my laptop, and today I got all the stickers in the mail. So I thought it'd be perfect to do a unboxing haul of this to show you guys on camera what I got, just like I did last time, and also show you guys me putting the stickers on my laptop and how it looks all together. If you want to see the original video where I actually am shopping on camera for all these stickers, then I'll leave that up here for you guys to check out. I'll also be shopping my store today, so Redbubble actually gave me some credits towards my own store so I could shop some of my products and receive them. So I'm really excited about that. I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna buy. There's some things that I've always wanted but just never, I don't know, took the plunge and bought, so I'll probably buy those, but I'll see on camera what I end up going with. So thank you so much Redbubble for sponsoring that. And with that, they also gave me my 15% off discount code for my entire store. So don't forget to check out my store if you want anything before November, because that is when the discount expires. And if you want that discount, I will leave it down below. All right, so let's get into the sticker unboxing. So I don't know why, but so far both times I ordered the stickers, it came in this completely white envelope. Like there's nothing on it or on the back except for my address. And yeah, I don't know why it comes like this, because every time I see other people's online, it's always in that like Redbubble envelope. So maybe it's just a Canada thing, like the Canadian deliveries get this envelope. I have no idea, but it's kind of strange because yeah, there's no branding on that. So I don't know what that's about. So let's open it. Let's see what we got. So first pack, I guess, I got these two. Yeah, there is definitely a little bit of controversy over this Nintendo sticker. I know, I got like just super excited when I first saw it last video, like on that person's shop, because like I just love Nintendo, and honestly like it didn't even go through my mind that, oh yeah, people probably shouldn't be posting like company names on there, because I was just too excited. But yeah, I do agree that I should have said something on camera last time that you shouldn't post company names or things that are copyrighted on there, because you're most likely going to get caught eventually and maybe suspended or have your account suspended. So I think that's why they actually wrote Nintendo, probably to get around that and just to kind of look like the Nintendo logo, which I mean, that's fine, I guess. Like they really changed it up. It's not like they're just straight up copying the Nintendo logo, and like I still think it's cute, but definitely beware if you're gonna be posting that kind of stuff. I definitely don't recommend it, so take that as you may. But yeah, I still thought it was a cute sticker, and they obviously still put some effort to like make the colors like that, so I don't regret buying it. And then the second one is this cool flower. So it looks kind of like a photograph of like an actual flower, and it's actually very small, which I'm happy about because I was going for smaller stickers this time so that they could fit properly on my laptop. Oh my god, okay. Oh, this is definitely the cute section. We got the cat eating popcorn, which is actually perfect because I've been super obsessed with popcorn lately. I think I eat it like every other night, so I'm definitely gonna include that somewhere on my laptop. And then this really cute strawberry, and yeah, those both kind of go together as well. Really happy with those. They are definitely bigger. I'm always surprised how big they come because these were the smallest size, so like I can only imagine how big the bigger sizes are. It's kind of weird, but oh well. Okay, next one, oh my gosh, I love these ones too, is this like cute little cat. I don't know why, I feel like that just like embodies everything about me, so I'm definitely gonna put that one on my laptop. And then we have the ramen, which I love ramen, so that one is super cute and really happy with them. And then we have this flower, which I really like, but it is a little bit blurry. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Like on camera right now, it looks pretty good, but in person it is quite blurry. So, I mean, it still looks good from far away, but yeah, unfortunately it is a little blurry. And then got all these like little pumpkin ones. And to be honest, I thought they were going to be like separate stickers, and I don't know if that's what the artist intended for it to be, because that's kind of what it looked like online, but it's actually like only 2 stickers. Like this whole clump is one, so like it wasn't cut out properly. And then this little leaf right here is like the only other sticker. So maybe that was just like in the design that you made, it wasn't like properly uploaded or properly done so that it could be cut out as a sticker pack. So yeah, I don't know if you can change that, but I think that would be nice. And then, oh, is this my last one? Oh my god, didn't realize it went by so quickly. We have this one. Oh, I don't know why it's not focusing. Okay, I'll just keep it here. So we have this sushi, which I absolutely love. It looks so good, and I don't know, it's like really realistic and also just really like graphic designy in the same way. So I don't know, I like that mix of like realistic but not. And then this cute lemonade, which I love, and yeah, I love the colors in that one. So I'm really happy with all these stickers. I think this is a video type that I want to keep doing because even if I don't necessarily need to use the stickers right away, I love just having like a sticker collection just in my art supplies kit. So I mean, I'm gonna fill up my laptop eventually, but yeah, I'll still keep buying them because I just love seeing them and getting them. I got a random sticker from Redbubble. So that's kind of interesting. They gave me that. They didn't give it to me last time. And then I think they're trying to like promote whatever. If that's like an artist at the bottom. I have no idea, but that's interesting. You get a free sticker there if you want that. So now I'm going to get my laptop. Just right here. This is what I have right now on there. I didn't add all the stickers from last time just because I felt like they didn't really go with the theme and they were a bit big. So let's see what I can add on there now and how it's going to look. Okay, so I'm trying to find like a good way to show you guys kind of my thought process and everything behind this, but I don't know if I can find a good angle, but I'm just gonna kind of like stick them up and see, I guess, how it looks. So I really want this cat somewhere. It kind of goes with these colors. So I think I'll probably add it there or there. What else do I have? This cat, I think I'm gonna add it like around this side because it kind of goes with these. And then, actually I might add the ramen like right here. I think that looks good. What else do we have? Sushi. Maybe I'll add that like, I don't know. See, that's the problem when they're too big. It kind of takes up too much space and it looks like clunky, I feel like I like when there's a mixed size of stickers, but I'll figure something out for that. I don't know. I'm gonna see what I come up with and then I'll come back to the camera and show you guys. Okay, so after some careful deliberation, this is the final result with all my new stickers on. I love it so much. It definitely still needs a couple of stickers here and there, like some smaller ones that will fit in between the cracks to kind of tie it all together. But I think it turned out so cute, and yeah, unfortunately I didn't have room for all of these stickers on here. I wanted to get some more of them, but yeah, it just didn't work. I might put some like on the bottom here. I don't know how I feel about that, but I'm loving how this turned out. I'm so glad I got these stickers from every one of you guys, and I'm still gonna continue to buy more even when this fills up, but yeah, I really love these. Actually, I might take this pumpkin off after October and then fill this up with something else. But that's what I have for the sticker side of things. So now I'm actually going to do like a live shopping session of my own store on my laptop. So I'll go into that now and just buy some things and just show you guys what I got. Okay, so here is my shop and I'm going to start looking around. I know for sure I want a notebook, a couple of masks, maybe a throw blanket. I'll go for spiral notebook. And I know I want some ocean themed stuff because obviously that's like my classic piece, I guess, but I don't think I want it in the notebook. Might do like this one. Let me add that to cart, or this orange one. And then let's look for some masks because I want to get some, and then I might get a couple extras to give to like my friends and family. So for the masks, I don't know what I'm gonna get. I kind of like this one, and then I kind of like the marble as well. Or maybe the black. I like the black marble actually, that's pretty cool. The palm tree is kind of cool too. Maybe I'll add that. And I kind of like this one too. I'll add that and then see what I end up going with. Okay, so now let's see. I want some stuff for the home. Actually, I really need an apron because I always just splatter whatever sauce I'm cooking with on me. So I might get that. I honestly love this apron. I think I'm gonna add that one. I just love that print. I want to get it on something for sure. Okay, and then, oh, what was I thinking of getting? Oh, here it is, throw blankets. Okay, let's go into that. Okay, I'm going to add a medium throw blanket to my cart in this pattern. Maybe I'll get that one. Okay, let's see what I have here and then go over it. Okay, I'm not gonna get this one. I think I might get both of these because I might give one to my sister. Not sure which one I want to go with yet. And then the masks, I don't know which one. I'm gonna take one out, but I don't know which one. Apron, love that. Throw blanket, love it. Travel mug, yep. So I think that's all I'm gonna get. I can't remember exactly how much I have a coupon for, so I might add some more things if it is for a little bit more, but I think that should be good. So I'll wait for those to get shipped and then I'll do an unboxing of those on camera with you guys too. All right, so I can't wait to see those in person. It'll probably take, I don't know, about 2 weeks to get here. That's about how long everything has been taking to get to me. So in 2 weeks, you guys will see another unboxing, but this time it will be an array of products, so not just stickers. So I'm really excited to see, honestly, just like the quality of some of these things and how they look in person, because I've only ever ordered a few things from Redbubble. So like all these random products, I don't know like what they look like notebooks and all that stuff. So I'm curious to see what they look like in person and excited to kind of have my own stuff around the house because yeah, I've never ordered anything of my own, so it'll be pretty cool to see. Like I said before in the beginning, Redbubble sponsored this, so thank you to them. And they also gave me a 15% off discount code off my entire store. So if you plan on buying anything from now to November, definitely use that discount code. I'll link it down in the bio and you can use it at checkout. So just thought I'd let you guys know in case you were planning to buy anything, might as well save some money. All right, but that's all I have for this video. So thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you for the continuous support. You guys are the best for sure. And I mean, even though I get some occasional like hate or like negative comments, most of the comments are so positive and I love seeing that. I love that this community is so positive and we all support each other, so I couldn't be more grateful for that. If you like this video and want to see more unboxings from Redbubble, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know which sticker was your favorite in the comments below and if you've ever ordered anything from Redbubble, because I'm really curious to see what their other products are going to be like. But that's all I have for today, so thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.